How to keep your vagina cleaner. Maintaining vaginal hygiene is important for all women to do, and understanding how to properly take care of your vagina is vital for your health. The vagina is naturally acidic and contains bacteria that can help fight off infections and maintain a normal pH balance. Discharge is also a normal secretion that the vagina produces in order to keep itself clean. Although this is a self-cleaning organ, you can take steps to improve your vaginal hygiene. 1. Washing your genital area. Wash your vulva daily with suitable soap and water. Washing your vagina the correct way is important in maintaining a healthy pH balance while also preventing infections. A normal pH level ranges from 3.5 to 4.5 on a scale of 0 to 14. To keep a regulated pH level, use a regular, unscented soap instead of a body wash. Don't put soap inside your vagina. Some products such as body washes have a pH level of 8, which throw off your normal pH level and cause itchiness, irritations, and odor. Regular soap also doesn't contain as much alcohol content scent compared with body washes. Clean the external areas surrounding the vagina. External parts, such as the vulva and the labia majora, the larger outer folds of the vulva, should also be cleaned with soap and water every day. Clean at least once a day to get rid of sweat, traces of urine and discharge that accumulates throughout the day. Use a washcloth or free hand while cleaning. Avoid using a loofah and washing too often. Rough and hard washcloths and loofahs can create small tears and expose you to infection. Avoid these and use a soft washcloth or your hand instead. Also, do not clean yourself more than once a day. Excessive cleaning can disrupt the pH balance and lead to dryness. 5. Avoid douching. Douching flushes water into your vagina, cleaning out natural bacteria and secretions. You should avoid douching because it interferes with your pH level and reduces the acidity in your vagina. This can make you more prone to infections. It will only temporarily cover up smell instead of curing it. If you have a strong vaginal smell, consult with your doctor instead of using a douche. Avoid scented wipes, deodorants and feminine products. Products that contain perfume disrupt your vagina's pH balance and can cause irritation. If you're concerned with the way your vagina smells, consult your doctor. Vaginal odor changes at different times of the menstrual cycle, so don't always think a bad smell is a sign of infection or illness. 7.